full.
Ano sino plastic? Tapos pugang.
Hindi lang ba? Ang kutsara, ang gitna. Ano sige, kung kataon na lang doon. Kung kataon na lang. Hi, Bob.
Hey, what's up, lovelies? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, today is April 11. Napaisip pa. April 11 and it's my birthday and I'm turning 24 today. So, wala naman actually ganap na bongga today because I decided to celebrate my birthday simple lang and intimate, and spend the rest of the day with my family and close friends and my loved ones. Yun lang. Actually, sa close friends ko, isa lang yung makakapunta, and lahat sila may work, and yung iba they scheduled it after my birthday na lang, and yun, yung iba malayo na sa Manila. And I'm currently here in Iloilo, of course. So, that's it. So, I'm gonna spend my birthday today. Yun nga, very simple. Unlike my previous birthdays, na nagpapa-dinner talaga ako. And, yun, nagpapa-dinner party talaga ako. But, this year, sabi ko bawi na lang next year when I turn 25. So, yesterday is April 10 and I've received some gifts na kahapon. And yan. I received a book. Ito talaga yung una kong na-receive from my friend. Nirap niya and inopen ko na. Ayan. This is the book from Bianca Sparacino. Tama ba? Sparacino. And, ayan, A Gentle Reminder. Ayan. And, yun. I've tried reading some pages and ang ganda niya nga. And, yeah. I really do appreciate people giving me simple but meaningful gifts. And, itong friend ko na to, alam niya talaga na I love books. I love reading books. So, sana mabasa ko to kasi meron pa akong books na nabili ko nung December na hindi ko pa natatapos. So, nasa pending na muna to. Pending. Okay, so, next is kahapon. Yeah, I went to the city. I met with a friend. Ito yung binigay niya. Oh, and then my aunt. I met with my aunt yesterday. Tama ba? Hala, parang hindi ko na alam kung ano yung sabihin ko. But, yun. She gave me a couple of stuffs and actually, hindi talaga ako guys nag-expect ng anything sa mga taong mahal ko or kahit kanino. Hindi ako nag-expect ng gift, especially sa mama ko, sa papa ko, sa lola ko, sa kuya ko, kahit sa mga aunts and cousins ko. Hindi ako nag-expect na kahit ano. But etong favorite aunt ko, meron talaga siyang gift for me. And ayan siya, naka-paper bag. So, ang cute lang kasi palagi niya akong binibigyan ng chocolates. And this birthday of mine, chocolates din yung gifts niya. And nabuksan ko na nga. You know what guys, I never tried Kit Kat na white chocolate. I just tried the milk chocolate, matcha, a green tea, and cookies and cream, but white chocolate hindi pa ako nakatry. And KitKat is one of my favorite chocolates, thanks to my aunt. And yung last na gift niya sa akin is ito. Na-spray ko na siya kahapon. And na-spray ko din ngayon. I'm so excited. This is the Sol de Janeiro. Sol de Janeiro or Janeiro. 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 Ewan ko guys but correct me if I'm wrong. Different schools, different pronunciations. But yeah, this is the Brazilian Crush Cheirosa. Ayan. Brazilian Jasmine and Pink Dragon Fruit. So, super bango niya guys. I swear. I love fruity, musky, floral scent. Any. Wala ko masyadong hindi nagugustuhan sa perfumes except yung super duper strong, ayaw ko nun. So yeah, but anything fruity, mild, musky. Thank you so much to my aunt. Next that I received is a package kasi guys wait, 5 days or a week ago, yung lola ko binigay na sa akin yung ang birthday gift niya. Sabi niya, ako na daw bahala if ano yung paggagamitan ko ng pera. So, I ordered something from Zalora. And gusto ko sanang orderin siya sa mismong Birkenstock. Sinabi ko na sa mismong Birkenstock na site. Pero walang size 39 and 40. So sabi ko, it's either the two lang kasi talaga yung sizes na palagi kong pinipilian. 39 or 40. Best fit sa akin is 39. So wala. So sabi ko last resort ko talaga is Zalora. So I checked and grabe. Meant to be talaga siya sa akin. Same sa white ko na big buckle ng Birkenstock na binili ko in store. Last size na din siya. Yung 39. Wala na din 40. So this time sa Zalora when I checked, last size na yung 40. Wala na 39. And last pair na lang pala sa 40. So grabe, na-excite ako kasi sabi ko sana yung bibilin ko shoes. I've been eyeing to buy shoes as in months ago pa, but I noticed na palagi akong nagsasandals nowadays or for the past months. I always wear sandals kasi I realize it is much more comfortable and more casual lang than wearing shoes. Eto na. Let's open it. Ito muna ako sa malayuan. Hala, grabe. Inuna ko pang magbukas ng gifts kasi ang tawag nito, mag-get ready. But yeah, let's open it. Okay. Grabe guys, kahit lip tint, wala akong lip tint. Nag-unboxing na lang muna tayo. Mag-unboxing na lang. Wait, kita ko pala muna yung box. Oh my god. My first ever Birks is Mayari in black. And yung second ko is the white na big buckle leather. In silver yung big buckle niya. And now, I got the Arizona big buckle in patent black and gold. Yung buckle niya. Open it. Ano pa yung talaga yung sarili ko? Just for the sake. Just for the sake of the vlog. Super shiny, guys, nung patent. Even the buckle is so shiny. Wow. Ang ganda niya. Okay. Worth it naman pala talaga yung pinuntahan ng pera na binigay ng lola. So, let's see. Medyo malaki siya. Size 40 kasi. And regular fit pa. Eh kasi ako, 39 ako. So, narrow fit pa yun na. Oh my god, I'm so in love. And I've been battling with myself if I'm gonna buy it or not. And I asked Zermar if should I buy it? Is it worth it? Or I was gonna save the money. So yun, and thank you Lola for the money kasi ito yung bibili ko. Okay, tama na yung yung pagkaalik natin sa birds. So yan na muna, meron akong white and black, so tama na muna. Alam mo guys, parang tanga ako. Mix to ng pesos and dollars. And I am so grateful and wasn't expecting that my parents will, give me money for my birthday. Kasi hindi to talaga nangyayari. They would just, prepare food and, prepare a party, a dinner party. Pero kasi siguro walang dinner party. Napunta sa pera. So, thank you, mother and father. I love you both. Okay. So, tara, mag-get ready na tayo. Kunin natin yung matcha latte natin sa baba. Then, let's get ready. Okay, guys. We're back. And kinuha ko lang yung matcha ko sa ref. Sa freezer pala. Kasi gusto ko, very icy siya. Very icy. Ang sarap. Okay, so tara, mag-skincare muna tayo. For my base, kasi, di ba, nagka-chicken pox tayo. Ito yung ginagamit ko. Yung Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion. Ayan. Wait. So, nung meron akong chicken pox, yung Essine Skin Relief din, yung ginagamit ko. Ngayon, ito. I've been using this morning and night. So, parang moisturizer talaga. And yun nga guys. So, my chicken pox is starting to heal na talaga. Ayan. Meron akong 2 active pimple. And yun, thank God. Ayan. Nagla-lighten na. The other product that I've been using is this one, Bio Oil. Actually, I've been using Bio Oil na talaga, like ever since, for my stretch marks and scars. But I've stopped, and then ngayon, and then I've stopped months before pa. And then, meron akong konting product, almost half ng bottle na natira, and yun yung ginagamit ko every night dito sa mga scars ko. So yeah, I believe it helped lighten my scars as well. So yep, for my sunscreen, I've been using this one. Ewan ko if nagpo-focus ba, but this is the Jeju Aloe Eyes 3-in-1 Niacinamide Cooling UV Sunscreen with Theracol Complex. So this is SPF 50 PA++++ with UVA, UVB, and blue light protection, lightweight and non-sticky, and pwede siya sa face and sa body mo. It has niacinamide plus vitamins B5, B6, and vitamin E as well. And by the way, this is from Fresh Skin Lab. This is not sponsored, by the way, yung mga products na ginagamit ko. So since na-absorb na ng face natin yung Aveeno, let's put on sunscreen. And I guarantee wala tong white cast and very mild just skin. No white cast, I swear. This is what I've been using lately. Kasi it has niacinamide. It helps with lightening the skin, and it also has vitamin E. Tignan nyo guys. Paubos na siya. Kasi gamit na gamit ko siya. So cooling talaga guys. And by the way, ewan ko ba if napakita ko to sa Singapore vlog ko, but this is also the sunscreen that I've been using nung pumunta ako ng Singapore. Next is I'm going to use a tinted sunscreen. This is not sponsored as well, pero baka naman Sola and Fresh Skin Lab and Bio Oil and Aveeno, baka naman sponsor kayo dyan. Okay, so ayan, paubos na siya, as in konting-konti na yung sunscreen nila na hindi tinted, as in ubos na ubos ko din yan guys. So let's put some tinted sunscreen in. So after that, since dito lang naman tayo, hindi na ako guys mag-concealer, by the way. Just melted lip balm and mascara.
Usus? Nega na ako sa inyo? Kami ka ako
Ayuda! Hala, ora sinula 14! Birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Isa pa! Yay! Happy birthday to you!
Wala agad.
Happy birthday!
Happy.
Mama, naka na sa bunday. Ano ron?
Yay!
Kita din ako. Bakit sa takot mo, no? Sabay na malaki ako ito. Ha? Na ano ko to mga liit. Lahat na. Oo. Oo, mga
Good morning, guys. So it's the next day. Yesterday was my birthday and sobrang saya ko. And as you can see in my eyes, naiyak ako kagabi because my best friend of 20 years, first birthday ko, nawala siya kasi pumunta siya ng Manila for work. And usually, siya talaga yung unang nag-greet aside kay Zermar pagpatak ng 12 midnight. And long message pa yun. And yesterday, sobrang nasad ako. Like, end na ng birthday ko. Sabi ko, hindi pa din siya naka-message. And I guess, busy lang kasi sa work. Then, nag-lang message siya. Sobrang long message. And napaiyak ako ng sobra. So, thank you, Binsoy, for this. Anyways, see you soon in Manila if you're watching this. So, of course, hindi pwedeng walang update. So, oh, sorry guys. Before anything else, I just want to apologize kasi konti lang talaga yung videos na hindi nga videos eh, I think isa lang talaga yung video na kuha ko kahapon, yun yung foods, and hindi na ako nakapag-video nung like yung mga tao na nakapunta and other stuff, but maybe I'll just gonna insert here some photos and some short videos na meron ako dito sa phone ko. And yeah, and I just wanna thank you all and to those who greeted me yesterday. So, ipapakita ko na lang muna sa inyo yung mga pahabol gifts. Alam niyo guys, hindi ako mahilig talaga, hindi ako materialistic. I mean, there's a side of me na I really love receiving gifts, letters, but mas gusto ko kasi yung ako yung nagre-regalo, yung nagbibigay than, you know, receiving. But yun, yung best friend ko din na isa na nasa Manila, and na-surprise din ako kasi binigyan niya ako ng gift. And yun, medyo nakaluwag-luwag na siya. Hi, Missy. Medyo nakaluwag-luwag na siya kasi may work na siya sa Manila. If you're watching my previous vlogs, siya yung nagbigay sa akin nito. Yung compact mirror na to nung 18th birthday ko. So, yun, yung 24 na ako. Medyo nag-upgrade na yung gift niya. And she got me Sunny's na flask. Sunny's flask. So, meron akong Starbucks na mga insulated tumbler and yung hydro flask ko na luma. And then, meron akong bago na nabili ko lang last year. So, for me, it's not very, you know, practical to sabay with the trend. Kasi tinanong niya ako if gusto ko daw ng, I mean, nagugustuhan ko ba yung bagong release ng Sunny's, which is their flask. Sabi ko, oo, but for me, now, hindi siya practical na bumili ako kasi I still have my hydro flask na minsan ko na lang nagagamit. Kasi most of the time, ito yung ginagamit ko. And dito lang ako sa bahay. And yeah, I drink cold water sometimes room temp lang na tubig. So sabi ko, but for you, deserve mo yung bumili ng water bottle kasi nag-work ka and you work hard for that. So, deserve mo yun. Yun pala, para sa akin yun. So, thank you, April. Pag ganito. Thank you, April, for the delivery. Oh, the delivery. Okay, so let's open it. It comes with 4 boxes. Medyo ano siya, medyo bulky. I mean, hindi bulky. What's the term? Kasi separate talaga yung mismong body niya, yung bottle, yung cap, yung parang handy thing where you can bring it. Ano ba yung tawag dito? Basta yung parang ano niya, rubber, ano ba yung tawag, loop, whatsoever. And then yung boot niya, talagang naka-separate sila because there's a lot of different colors and mako-customize mo talaga siya sa color na gusto mo. So, my favorite color is pink. That is sky blue. Now, pink. Sky blue pa din naman. But, I am more on parang neutrals na. Minsan, white, black, ganun. But, yeah. Light pink. Baby pink. Pero walang baby pink na available. So, she got me the punch na color. Ayan. Punch yung color nito. So, let's open it. So beautiful. Diba? Ang ganda niya, guys. So, free din ata yung engrave. Yung magpapa-engrave ka. I'm not sure. But, eto. Merong naka-engrave. Wait, papakita ko sa inyo. So, it comes with this 3 then. Actually, yung first, ano niya daw, napiling color is yung parang ito, yung taffy. Pero hindi siya available. So, meron ding loop. Loop na yung tawag. Ayan. And the color punch as well. And boot is also taffy. Same sila nung cap. Cap is also in the color taffy. So, try natin i-assemble para magamit natin siya. Sorry guys, hindi pa ako nakapag-ayos. Nauna na yung ating unboxing. Yep, ayan siya. Then, so sabi niya pwede ko pa daw ma-artehan. Pwede ko pa mabila ng bago pang mga colors. And then the boot. Oh my god, it is so cute though. Oh my god, thank you Missy. And of course guys, hindi talaga si Zermar na-absent or nawawala yung roses. Kasi sabi niya, ang hirap ko daw isipan ng gift. Madami talaga yung nagsasabi na nahihirapan silang mag-isip ng gift for me. I don't know why. But, anyways, yun. Sabi ko sa kanya, kahit wala ng gift, But, of course, hindi talaga absent yung bouquet, roses. Pangit, wait. So, ayan, i-flex muna natin before siya malanta. Mag-dry. So, thank you, Bob, for the flowers. And, natin kasi guys, nagpo-birthday ako. Palagi niyang gift sa akin is, ayan, yung mga piggy stuff ko. Yung mga stuff toys. Sobrang dami dito. If gagawa ko ng room tour, papakita ko sa inyo lahat. And, kung paano ko sinustore yung mga bouquet na binibigay niya sa akin. So, yeah, I'm so happy. Thank you, Baba. And I received then mga cash kahapon. Konti lang na mga cash. Pambili lang ng pagkain. Wow. But, yeah, I'm so happy. And, yeah, I think that's it for my birthday. And 24 pa lang naman ako. So, hindi ko naman talaga nire-rush na, you know, maging married, magkaanak. Ooh. But, soon. Hanap muna tayo trabaho, te. So, yun guys. So, let's get ready now.